Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to apply index match with one criteria and when we have multiple criterias. So first I will cover one criteria, and this is the data set we have. We have revenue for multiple locations from January to March, and this is the table where we want to publish the data. So if I talk about the cell, we want to see the revenue generated in England in the month of January. So here we can use VLOOKUP as well, but the limitation of VLOOKUP is in VLOOKUP we look up value from left to right, but since we have the location in column D, we want to look up the value from right to left. So in index match, we can look up from right to left or left to right both. So here we will start with index match equals to index. The first argument in the syntax is array. So this is the array where we have revenue number. The next argument you can see is row number. Here we will use match. Now the syntax is lookup value. So this is our lookup value, comma, lookup array. So this is the lookup array where we have locations, comma. We will enter 0 because we want to see the exact match, comma. The next argument is column number. Again we will use match, and this is the lookup value, that is January, comma, and we will select the lookup array, that is January to March, comma 0 because we want to see the exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. Copy this formula and paste in all other cells. So in England we have revenue, that is 19k, 26.5k and 22k, and the same we have in the dataset. Let's change this from England to Spain. Let's say we have 17k, 24.5k and 20k, the same we have in the dataset for Spain. So this is the index match formula for one criteria. Now we will cover index match where we have multiple criteria. This is the dataset we have. We have revenue for multiple locations, but now we also have different sales representatives, and the dataset is same for January to March, but we have for two different years. So now we want to publish this table, and if I talk about specifically for this cell, we want to see the revenue from Michael in the month of January in India, and year should be 2018. Since we have multiple criteria for rows, that is sales representatives and locations, for column we have multiple criteria, that is month and year. So how we will apply index match? Start with index, and the array should be your location for revenue. So this is the area where we have all the revenues. Now the next argument in the syntax is row number. We will start with match. This is the lookup value. This is our first lookup value for row. We will press end, and this is the second lookup value for row, comma. This is our first lookup array because we have selected Michael as a first lookup value. So this is the first lookup array. Press end, and this is our second lookup array for row, comma, because we want to see exact match 0, comma. For column number we will use match. This is our first lookup value, and this is our second lookup value, comma. This is our first lookup array for column, and this is our second lookup array for column, comma 0. Close the bracket and press enter. Copy this formula and paste in all other cell. So now from Michael in January in India 2018 we have revenue, that is 15k, the same we have in the dataset. Let's change this from India to, let's say, USA. From Michael we have 21.6k. Let's change this from 2018 to 2019. We have revenue from Michael in January 25.92. Let's see Michael USA January 2019 is 25.92. So the same is reconciling with the data set, and this is the table which we have published using the index match multiple criteria. I will show you the formula once again here. So formula text. So this is the formula which we have used. So friends, I hope you all have liked this video. If yes, then please share, comment and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends. Bye bye.